channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing from Crest Gardens. I'm gonna do this with one hand and I'm gonna do it in the front porch. It is thundering. It looked like it was gonna rain, but I'm not sure. So let's try to open this and see what we got. I'm gonna make a mess in my front porch. So that'll be pretty cool. And these were mystery ones, so let's check it out. Here it is. Here's one. Pretty easy to blow out though, at least. You know what? Let me grab it with the other hand. Sorry guys. Look at those pretty colors. That is very pretty. Sempervirums are hardy succulents. They do pretty well in the cold, and I believe they do well in the heat too. Very pretty. This one's just a green one. Oh look, some of them have names. Yeah, I think they have names. That's cool. That's good. Sempervirums, and that's the name of that one. It's all green. And then this one that has color in it. Wait, I think they're gonna have all the same name. Clumping Sempervirums. It's gonna be a quick, short video. Here's this one. This one's pretty big. Very pretty. And this one is called Sempervirums Pluto. This one's really pretty. It's got some pink in it. And this one is... Let's see if I can get the name out. Mystery. Oh, it just says Mystery Sempervirums. Right there, shining interior. It really needs to be cleaned. Dirt all over my phone. It's pretty. It needs some TLC. Definitely some TLC. I got some dirt in my mouth. And let's see what this one is. Hold on guys, sorry. It's a Mystery Echeverria. So this is a Mystery Echeverria. It took for some reason it took a little bit to get here. It did take quite a while to get here. So I don't know if it opened up like this because of the trip, but she definitely needs some sun. But she'll perk right back up inside the greenhouse. So here are my 6 plants that I got. So I guess I got 2 Echeverias and 4 Sempervirums. So let me see if I remember how much I paid. So most of these were $2.95 to $75 to $75. So the Sempervirums Pluto was the only one that was $4, but the rest, if you rounded it, it was $3. So most of them were pretty much $3, and only the Pluto one, which is this one, was $4. So that's not too bad. $18 for 6 plants. That's not too bad. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out the links on the description box as well. Bye guys, you have a blessed day.